Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering tools and making the first marks. Use medium-weight paper and a pen you control, pencil for light planning. Draw continuous, loose scribbles to block major shapes. This builds gesture and rhythm. Keep pressure varied so lines overlap with energy, and do not erase too much because those lines create texture. Once done, step back and read the mass shapes. Make sure to emphasize dark and light areas with denser or sparser scribbles to guide the next stage. Now you develop form by adjusting line density and direction. Build midtones by adding medium-density scribbles, deepen shadows with tight, cross-hatch scribbles, and leave sparse areas for highlights. This sculpts volume without erasing. Vary stroke angle to suggest surface planes, and change pen size to separate foreground from background. Once you feel volume, refine contours with more deliberate lines. This clarifies edges while keeping the lively scribble texture that gives the piece its character and spontaneity. To finish, you add final contrast and selective details to make forms read clearly. Darken key anchor areas, lift nearby lines to create separation, and use a finer pen for hair or fabric texture. Step back frequently to check overall balance and make subtle adjustments rather than overworking. If things look muddled, simplify by erasing or covering small zones, or add a white gel pen for crisp highlights. These fixes restore clarity while preserving the energetic scribble that defines your artwork.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.